Most of our custom jewelry is in the bridal side for engagement rings. We have one of the largest selections around for bridal. We carry Fauna, who are very good friends of ours. They make some amazing products. We also carry Gabriel, which has a very extensive bridal line. But if people like part of this ring and part of that ring, or something about this one and not something about the other one, we can blend and combine them to make the perfect ring.
A spouse will come in with an idea, and sometimes it's something from online that they want to alter just a smidge. So they'll bring us some pictures and we can alter it, get them that CAD rendering within 24 to 48 hours and go from there, adjust the design because they want something just as unique as their spouse's. So here at Jacqueline's, we have a really wide variety of loose stones, ranging from the traditional shapes such as round, brilliant cuts, princess, all the way down to fancy shapes, which are considered like radiant, oval, all different varying sizes to accommodate any budget. That's a radiant. Princess. And the most commonly purchased shape, the round brilliant. We also have some really unique cuts. For example, this Criss cut oval. It's a new take on the oval shape. What it eliminates with the specific cut, it does not have a bow tie effect. So the bow tie effect is commonly found in marquees, ovals, and pear shapes, where there's just a little bit of dead space in the center that creates like a little shadow shaped like a bow tie. And this new cut was patented and actually eliminates that. So it's just all sparkle. So what's really nice about having a selection of loose stones here in-house is you can really personalize your experience. You can come in, pick out the perfect mounting from our wide selection. You could pick out your loose center stone and we could have it set in a matter of minutes by our in-house jeweler, and you can be out the door with the ring of her dreams.
For most guys that are getting engaged, it might be the biggest purchase they've ever made. It's certainly right up there in the top, and they want it to be special. And we always get the couples come in and introduce themselves and things. It's a lot of fun.